Hello everyone, welcome back to LS Homes, and today we are at Tengah, exploring a 113 square meters, 5-room BTO that's been transformed into a calm, elegant space with a soft, modern luxe meets Japandi design. Renovation took 4 months and came in just under $100,000, and it was done for a young couple in their 30s who are also first-time homeowners. They wanted a cozy, inviting space with woody tones and layered textures, a segregated zone for baking and cooking, and a private master suite with full-height wardrobes. Sounds like a tall task? It was, but the designer managed to fulfill all of it. Let's step inside to find out how exactly he did that. Hi Jeff, nice to meet you.
Welcome Rachel, nice to meet you as well.
Thank you, Jeff. So right from the entryway, this feature wall captures the eye. Tell me what's going on here.
Originally, the carpentry here felt bulky, so it needed a little visual relief.
So we added this granite divider for both texture and light play. When the light hits, it gives off a nice shimmer that adds life to the entryway.
But Jeff, this isn't your usual stone, right?
Right, it's actual granite, which was a last-minute upgrade. It cost nearly double to the sintered or panels options, but none of those gives the same raw reflective quality.
Definitely, this isn't something we see very often, but it gives guests a grander entrance and leave an impression right off the bat. I would think it's money well spent. Shall we move on to the next section? I'm excited.
Let me bring you to the dining area next.
Okay, let's go. Now this dining area really gives modern Japandi cafe vibes.
There was the goal. The couple wanted a space that felt like warm hosting corner.
We brought in a Travertine-style dining table to bring in some added texture for that Japandi feel.
So many interesting features here. For example, this wallpaper behind the open shelves is so beautiful. It's so subtle but adds so much visual interest.
It's a custom wallpaper inspired by Luzon Island.
Give abstractly painterly look without being too busy. Definitely one of our favorite additions to the home.
Also, we've got to talk about the ceiling feature here.
Ah yes, the concave ceiling skylight is actually a membrane light that we shaped using 3D printed mold.
Took 3 times to get it perfect. One had creases, one didn't see it flush.
But we really wanted this soft architectural glow above the dining zone.
The hard work definitely paid off. The ceiling feature adds a modern look to the entire space. Moving to the living area, this feels spacious and serene. Can we talk about the wall behind the TV?
That's actually a wallpaper designed to mimic lime wash. It gives the same texture, matte look but without the maintenance.
Lime wash is beautiful, but it can be a pain to repaint or remove later, so it was a more flexible alternative.
Smart choice. And this console is super clean. I love how everything is kept low profile.
The idea here was to keep the lines horizontal and understated, so the space here feels wider.
No clunky furniture, just clean, cohesive finishes.
Now moving on to the kitchen. And I heard this was one of the most challenging parts of the home to get right.
Yes, the homeowner loved both cooking and baking, and they needed 2 separate kitchen zones. But because this is a very small area without any wall can hack, so the layout had to do all the work.
And I think you nailed it. On this side, we've got the dry kitchen for baking, and tucked behind this flush panel is the wet kitchen for heavier cooking.
Exactly, the wet kitchen is completely concealed when not in use.
We even added extra countertop above the washer to maximize prep space.
Now I noticed there's a sink outside the bathroom. What's the reason for this?
It's actually for hosting purposes.
Instead of having guests open the bathroom door just to wash up, we pull out the common bathroom sink out into the open.
It's more hygiene and also makes more sense when people are eating, cooking and have messy hands.
And it doesn't feel out of place at all.
Yes, we wanted it to feel intentional, not like a leftover sink.
And it frees up the inside of the bathroom for a cleaner layout too.
Now this part of the home, it feels like a completely private wing. But originally this was 2 bedrooms, right?
Yes,
Bedroom 2 and the master bedroom were separated, but we hacked the wall between them to create a more open, versatile suite.
the idea was to have a space that felt like a retreat, but it could also evolve with their lifestyle.
So now, this front section acts as a study nook, but it's also where they plan to place a baby cot in the future.
Exactly, it's just outside the sleeping zone, so it's convenient but still feel distinct. It's quiet, has good light, and doesn't take away the calmness of the master.
We close off the main master bedroom door, use bedroom 2 doors as the main entrance to the master bedroom, and then a partition between the study and the bedroom to further protect the privacy of homeowners.
That's such a tiny yet thoughtful detail. And inside, I noticed there's a clear zone for dressing and another for sleeping.
Yup, The couple wake up at different times.
So we created a divider between the bed and the vanity area.
It helps one person to get ready without disturbing the other.
I also love how the full-height wardrobe runs all the way across. Where's the bathroom?
It's hidden behind the wardrobe.
We didn't want to break up the wardrobe visually with a toilet door, so we built in a concealed entrance. Keep it sleek and seamless.
It is so well concealed. I love how this entire zone flows so naturally, from the study nook to the bedroom to the bathroom, without feeling awkward. So this wraps up our tour of this 113 square meters, 5-room BTO in Tengah, designed for a couple that loves hosting, cooking, and thoughtful design. The entire renovation was done in just 4 months with a total cost of around $100,000.
That's right. Every part of the home was planned around how the couple actually lives. From the dual zone kitchen to the tucked-away master and the future-proof open study, it's all about lifestyle and flow.
If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Ella's Homes. And if you want to work with Jeff from LA Design Studio, feel free to click the link in the description below. See you in the next one!